Hey chick, what are you watching? Self-assembly. Like Tater said. What the heck? Can't watch that. Why? Because it's a horror short film. Because why? You have to watch some kid stuff. Like Tay's mom said. No, I don't want to watch no kid stuff. That's boring. I'm watching Self-Assembly. What is on YouTube? How do you spell that app? Well, it's time to go to school or I'll kick her butt. Fine, kind of the bully. Yeah, you better say kind of a bully. Now get to school. Alright, class. Today, we are learning some math. How about you are fat. You are a fatty. Stop being a yellow belly protrude. Oh. Now, I am not a fatty. You know what? You get out of here and go to the principal's office. I think he watched Self-Assembly. Yeah, I think my mom was right. Hey son, how's your last day at school? Yeah, it was fun. My best friend chick was watching Self-Assembly. Can you tell him that way? Tay, you did do a tremendous job. Hey, Mrs. Mommy. Hey. Move. Why did you watch Self-Assembly? Because I love that video. That's it. Go home right now. And Tay, you are a great student. You'll get fifth. You'll get 5th grade. Have a nice day. Now you have the 1st grade. And you, chick, you get an F plus. You get an F plus. That's what you just did. Now, get out of here. I do not watch Self-Assembly. Now get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Meanwhile, F plus. She don't give me an F plus on me. I was a good student. What's wrong, chick? And why are you crying too? Yeah, why are you crying like me? The teacher told me I have to get an F plus because I'm the worst student ever. I did horrible at this too. Dude, they gonna give you a good grade when you be a good student next time. But remember, the tall man picture, vote. Look, you remember is the ice and ski. You'll give them party. Party, party, party. Party, party, party. Party, party, party. Party, party, party. Hey, wanna get some apples? No, you don't. That's my apples. Hey, what do you snatch me for? Son, you okay? Check. Ha! La da do! La da da! La da do! La da da! La da do! Fatty. Ah! La da do! Where's Chick? Yeah, have anyone see him? Yep. Guys, it worked. It's my destiny. So it's your turn. Yep. Yep. Alright, let me check my height. Oh no, I'm too fat for ice cream. Huh. No more student, no more cheeks, and no more first grade. You can get first grade later. But why did you don't cry?